open this one because that was my birthday, that last May. This is from Valentino. So this is a kind of packaging they have. Like this. And here's what it says. Valentino. I wish this is a box though. So I can take the box and put in the display. What I got here is the 3 kinds of perfume. This is a mini. There's 3 kinds. And I got some free products. This is some trials. Another trials. And I wish.
Wow.
Okay. And what I got here, this is the special, guys. So this is a free product because I purchased the certain amount. So this is a phone in the back, like to stick on the back of the phone, do like this. But this is permanent, so I really don't like those. But it's okay. I just keep it in the future. And here's the thing. I don't know, just to use it in there. And you can clip your cards in here. Oh, look at that, Valentino. Oh, there's a mirror, guys. What? This is on the go. I like this. I like this idea. And here you can put your credit card or license. I'm just gonna bring this to my, I'll put in my purse, and I'm not gonna remove the 3D permanent stick in there. I don't wanna do that because I don't wanna ruin in the back of my phone because I have a stand on it. So when I use it, I can't do it anymore. So this one is for this one, I think, for the mirror. So easy to grab, just like that. Okay, and I have to put it here. And there's a case on it, and that's nice, from Valentino as well. Good. And this one is the one I really want. I ever want this. This is I was excited. This is the eye to cheek, so I can use it on my eye.